A recap on mixed number multiplication and division. We'll look at two examples, one of multiplication, one of division. 2 1/4 multiplied by 1 2/3. The first thing we do is change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now 2 whole numbers gives me 8/4, 2 times 4. And there's one extra one there, so that's 9/4. Multiplied by 1 whole number gives me 3/3, and there's an extra 2 there, so that's 5/3. And at this point we look to see if we can cancel anything in the numerators with anything in the denominators. And I see that the 3 and the 9 cancel, so 3 goes into itself once and 3 goes into 9 3 times. Now that I've finished cancelling, I multiply the numerators and I multiply the denominators. So I've got 3 times 5 over 4 times 1. 3 5s are 15 and 4 times 1 is 4. And all I do now is change this back into a mixed number. 4 goes into 15 3 times, so I've got 3 whole numbers, but 3 4s are 12, so there's still another 3/4 left over to give a final answer of 3 3/4. Now an example on division. 3 3/5 divided by 2 1/4. Again we put them into improper fractions. So 3 times 5 is 15/5, and 3 extra makes 18/5. Divided by 2 4s are 8, that's 8/4 from the 2 whole numbers, and 1 extra makes 9/4. Now to divide by a fraction, we turn upside down and multiply. So 18/5 multiplied by 4/9. And we don't look to cancel until we've got that multiplication sign. You can't cancel when you have a division sign. Here I can cancel by 9. 9 goes into itself once and 9 goes into 18 twice. Finished cancelling, so we multiply the numerators. 2 times 4. We multiply the denominators. 5 times 1. So that gives us 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 1 is 5. And finally we change that back to a mixed number. 5 goes into 8 once, 3 left over, so it's 1 3/5. And that completes the recap.